Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your clip and moving straight to Fairlight. This is where audio repair happens. Once the clip is on the timeline, select the track and, to be safe, duplicate it or make a compound clip so you can revert changes. Make sure clips are properly labeled and set gain to avoid clipping. Next, normalize levels so the noise floor is consistent. This helps algorithms detect unwanted background hum versus the desired signal. Now you're ready to apply the actual noise reduction tools. Now apply the noise reduction effect from the effects library to the selected clip or track. This is the core fix. If you have a short section with only noise, capture a noise profile. It teaches the plugin what to remove. Then adjust reduction amount and threshold while listening. Lower thresholds remove more noise but can affect voice clarity. Use attack and release controls to keep transients natural. Once done, toggle bypass to compare and fine-tune, so dialogue remains intelligible without. Finish by refining with EQ and gentle compression to restore presence lost in denoising. Make small EQ boosts around speech frequencies and tame any remaining low rumble with a high-pass filter. Once you've balanced levels, render a short test export to confirm the reduction behaves in different players. If you hear pumping, metallic artifacts, or lost sibilance, reduce the noise reduction amount or recapture a cleaner noise print. Sometimes splitting sections and applying lighter processing per segment yields better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.